In this video, we shall be talking about the sample space in probability theory. We define the sample space to be the collection of all possible outcomes of an experiment in probability. So in this case, we'll be using the fair dice to explain the concept of the sample space. So we take the first example to say if a fair die, we call it die because one. If a fair die is tossed once, what is the sample space? What is the sample space? Now, for we to know the sample space of this fair die, we ask ourselves, how many faces does this die have? The dice have these 6 faces. So our sample space will be equal to 1. So if you throw a fair die, you see that 1 will show up, or 2 will show up, or 3 will show up, or 4 will show up, or 5 will show up, or 6 will show up. So these are the possible outcomes we can get if we throw that fair die. It is common in the play of Ludo games. How about if we toss 2 dice? We take another example. If 2 dice, or if 2 fair dice, if 2 fair dice are tossed once, if they are tossed once, what is the sample space? So if you throw 2 fair dice one time, what will now result in the sample space? How can we compute the sample space? Of course, we've already seen if we toss 1 die, we got 1 to 6. So we have either 1 will show up, or 2 will show up, or 3 will show up, or 4 will show up, or 5 will show up, or 6 will show up. If we toss another die, you see that 1 will show up, 2 will show up, 3 will show up, 4 will show up, 5 will show up, or 6 will show up. So we'll now combine them. If we combine this, we'll get 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, and 1, 6. If this and this are thrown, it's either you get 2, 1, or you get 2, 2, or you get 2, 3, or you get 2, 4, or you get 2, 5, or you get 2, 6. Or you get 3, 1, or you get 3, 2, or you get 3, 3, or you get 3, 4, or you get 3, 5, or you get 3, 6. If you combine this and this, you see that you get 4, 1, or you get 4, 2, or you get 4, 3, or you get 4, 4, or you get 4, 5, or you get 4, 6. If you throw this, you see that you get 5, 1, or you get 5, 2, or you get 5, 3, or you get 5, 4, or you get 5, 5, or you get 5, 6. And lastly, if you throw this and this, you see that you get 6, 1, or you get 6, 2, or you get 6-3, or you get 6-4, or you get 6-5, or you get 6-6. So this is now the first die, and this is the second die. So everything we got here is now the sample space. Everything we got here is now the sample space for the question given. So if we toss two pair dice, it's either we get the whole of this. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. So this is how we can use the pair die to explain the sample space.